Now that you've established a squat, you want to delve into Olympic weightlifting. So one of the first things you'll need to learn is how to perform an overhead squat. This is a great drill that some use to find out imbalances and weaknesses within general health and movement patterns, but also a great drill to improve your snatch. Here are a couple of things to think about when learning the overhead squat. First of all, you'll need to figure out where you have your hands on the bar. A simple way of finding this out is by holding the bar at your hips. Lift one leg up to 90 degrees, and if the bar moves, the bar is too low, so you'll need to have your hands wider. If you lift your leg and the bar doesn't even touch your thighs, then the bar is too high and you'll need to narrow your hands. The goal is to have the bar in the crease of your hips so the bar doesn't move when you lift your leg. So once you've achieved that, check where your hands are in relation to the bar markings so you can find it later on. Now you've found your hand position, we need to figure out how to get the bar above your head. The easiest way to do that is by having the bar on your back like you would do with a back squat. Then move your hands into the hand position that we just found out, and then what you want to do is have a little leg drive and push the bar above your head. From here, what you want to do is have your feet in your squat stance, so you should have established that already, and then from there maintain the bar overhead and squat down, maintaining balance over midfoot. Now here comes the difficult bit. Some people feel they may have to change how they squat to support holding the bar above their head, but this is far from the truth. When learning to overhead squat, you need to allow your body to lean forward like you would do with a normal high bar back squat. If you try to keep yourself bolt upright and that isn't how you squat, you won't be able to complete an overhead squat, you will be off balance and will find tightness in your back. Lastly, if you don't focus on keeping the bar over your centre of mass, you will more than likely lose the bar in front of you. So when practicing the overhead squat, you need to think about allowing your arms to go further back. A nice way of achieving this is to internally rotate your elbows. Face the crease of your elbows forward, so that it will allow your arms to move back more freely, keeping the bar over your centre of mass when squatting. So be mindful of your back positioning and your arms when performing the squat. As you develop, things will change and you'll become more upright over time, but that will only happen when you're more mobile and stability increases. But keep practicing and soon you'll be lifting some big weights above your head.